Today we're going to take a look at drum programming in Studio One. In Studio One there are mainly three different ways in which we can program drums. The first way is using audio directly into the arrangement. The second is using SampleOne, and the third method is using impact. Now let's take a deeper look in each of these and look at the pros and cons in them. Let's take a look at using audio directly into the arrangement window. This is the most basic method of them all. All you have to do is grab an audio file and drag it into the arrangement window. From there you can have full control over it, and the pros include you can control the audio files individual gain and fades however you like it, so you can get anything you want out of the file. The cons of this method is that it is difficult to manage, although you can pack folder and save space. This method also requires a longer time to program the drums. Let's take a look at the second method. It is using SampleOne. This is a pretty easy method as well. You load Studio One's stock sampling plugin, which is called as SampleOne, in a channel, and you load your audio file. The pros of this method is that you can pitch your audio file up or down as much as you like without having to create another track for it. It is really good for creating rises and build-ups. The cons are more or less the same as the earlier method. Each drum will take one spot in the arrangement and give you lesser space to work with. The solution to this too is the same: pack folder. Now let's take a deeper look at the third method, which is using impact. This is my favorite method. You load Studio One stock drum plugin and you load your drum files in there. The pros of this method is that you have a lot of control over the groove of your beat, and you can program the drums faster than the earlier method, as you will be drawing MIDI and you would be able to see where everything else sits and write the beat according to that. The cons is that you will have less control over every drum sample, and you wouldn't be able to create fades or transpose individual files as you like. These are the main three methods of drum programming in Studio One. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in the next video I'll take a deeper look at drum programming using impact.